I'm here to help guide you through the Oswestry Disability Index. So what is the Oswestry Disability Index? The Oswestry Disability Index, also known as the Oswestry Low Back Pain Disability Questionnaire, is a 10-section checklist. It is used to help clinicians gauge how well a person with lower back pain is able to perform daily activities, especially while going through rehabilitation. There are 10 sections which include pain intensity, personal care, lifting, walking, sitting, standing, sleeping, sex life, social life, and travelling. Each section has a set of 6 items that are statements of how lower back pain is affecting the patient. Clinicians can track progress and improve health outcomes. They can be used by a variety of healthcare professionals, but primarily by physical therapists and doctors. Here's how to use an Oswestry Disability Index. The first step is to read the instructions and select the best fitting statement in each of the 10 sections. You'll then need to complete the equation by dividing the total score by the total possible score and multiplying by 100. The third step is to examine correlating score range and integrate within treatment. To view an example of the index, feel free to visit Carepatron.com where you can download it for free. You can also access the template within our platform, filter by community and by assessments, and you'll be able to find the note. Alternatively, you can type in the keywords and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to know how to better elevate your healthcare knowledge.